Creative ways to use crafts to heal the soul. I've been using crafting as a way for healing during various health trials for the last 20 years, and I wanted to share some of the variety that I have used because there are certain ones that have been more calming to my nervous system, more beneficial mentally, unlock my creativity. And so I'm going to go through one by one and talk about them. These pictures are some of them. I'll go back over them one by one and talk about what I like about them, what the supplies that you would need, and how to get started. So there are so many different types of crafting that you can do, and some take more time than others. But just the repetitive action of these is what has been so beneficial for me, and I think it'd be perfect for you as well. So I wanted to share them with you. Okay, this is the slow stitching, and it was the home decor piece that I made with the butterfly and the yo-yos, and using just a linen napkin and then a pillow that I attached it to using this beautiful pen. And then next is the tiny house slow stitching that I used a hexagon quilt block pattern. So quilting is another great crafting technique. It's slow and easy. You can do whatever design you want. You can mix and match. So I have the quilting and embroidery and slow stitching all in one. And then this is the chicken. There went its little head. Okay, trying to put it back together. Okay, so this is just a vintage quilt block, and I cut out the little chicken and then just set it on top of that. So you can scour thrift stores to find vintage quilts, and you can cut out the blocks yourself, take it apart, and then you have a ready-made quilt block that you can use, and then you can take the templates from a slow stitch kit. This is my little chicken one in my Etsy shop, and the link is in the description, and then you can just decorate on top of that. So it's the same idea with this hexagon, would look really nice on there as well, or the butterfly pattern that I showed you also. Now, another fun and relaxing craft is polymer clay. So these are in my little curio cabinet, and I made this lady here probably about 30 years ago. My daughter was very young, and it was a friend of mine in Maryland that taught me how to do that. It takes a lot of work with your hands, though. She did it for her joints and arthritis. She was an older lady, about my mom's age, but it was so much fun. Look at the detail on that. And I made each one of those out of polymer clay. I did the little brick wall in front of her, and then I made the little teddy bear, the little chicken, put the feathers in the cap. Aren't those adorable? Absolutely adorable. So that's another fun craft, and it's very affordable craft as well. I bought all of my supplies at Michael's. And then another easy craft that is very soothing is cross stitching. And now this I made, again, that was probably made, again, about 30 years ago. My daughter was very young. And then I did the little coffee fresh roast bag that you see there, and then I did the butterfly that you see there. And that's all French knots, and of course that was a stamped pattern that I bought. Now crocheting is another fun craft that's very relaxing and soothing, and it's very repetitive. And I made this little blanket. I started it, I haven't finished it, and I know worked on this at least 20 years ago. And I just went through my stash, because some things I made my daughter a blanket, but I didn't continue with this one. So, but it's a lot of fun. So crocheting is something you might want to consider. And now paper crafting. Paper crafting is another fun, soothing type of a craft, and junk journaling. So this is a junk journal that I made. Beautiful yo-yos, a wax seal, this fabric cover, absolutely gorgeous. I love this fabric. And now look at how fat it is. So this was actually an altered book. So I took a book and I kept the pages, and I just tore out pages. Flowers for Mother was the name of the book. I covered the inside cover and went through and put some embellishments, some belly bands. This was one of my daughter's artwork pieces, and put some cute little tabs on the side, pockets. So I folded the pages, made pockets out of some, added this ribbon, 2 more belly bands, put some tags on that. But you can take a book and you can just tear out a lot of the pages. I have a video here on my channel. I'll put the link in the description and at the end card if I can find it, but in the description. And look at this. I put a doily here, made a pocket out of that, a pocket out of here, made this in 2020. And I keep this in my curio cabinet as just a showpiece that I absolutely love. And I get it out from time to time, and I look at it, and this is a hidden paper clip, and I just love what I did. You know, here, this is a pocket. There's another pocket. There's a little tuck spot. Put another little tab there. There's another little tab. Here's another pocket. So the page is just a pocket. And now this is a fabric page, and then I just made the little embellishment and just put these cute little things there. This is with fabric. This is an envelope, so it slides out. Something's in the pocket. Love decorating this. Look at how pretty this is. All the glitter that I put on there. Another little dangle there. Another little pocket here. This folds out, journaling spot, little pocket here. So this is a book, and I just covered the pages with scrapbook paper. Isn't that pretty? Look at how pretty that is. Absolutely love this cover. Just gorgeous. Love this fabric. I only had a little bit of this fabric, and so I did not want to cut it up, and I said, you know what, I'm going to use it and make an altered book out of it. So that is exactly what I did. So again, this one stays in my curio cabinet. And also quilting. I did a larger lap quilt when my daughter was 8 years old, and I love that quilt. So just think about and think outside of what you would normally do. And I know that we all love variety, and so just start to explore new crafting techniques. Now I do teach the junk journaling here on my channel, the slow stitching, and the quilt blocks. I teach that as well. And I don't do crocheting anymore, so I don't have any videos, but there's tons of other channels here on YouTube that you can check out for that. The slow stitching, of course, I teach that here. You've seen me do on my channel. card making I do here on my channel, but there's tons of other videos, YouTube channels that do that. So just explore and start expanding. So if you start to feel like you're getting stuck in a rut with slow stitching or whatever, you know, I kind of got stuck in a rut with junk journaling. I can't just make videos all day long, year after year after year after year after year, about junk journaling. So then I switched it up. I did some quilting and card making. I love the, what is the iris fold card. Absolutely love that. So I will search back through my videos, find that link, and I'll put it in the description box below so that you can look at that. It's a gorgeous card. The Anna Griffin does have a kit. I don't know if she still has them available, but there's many patterns, and I do show you the pattern and the technique. I take you through the whole step by step of how to make one. Haven't made one of those in a long time, and I do have the kit. So if you would like to see me do them again, then just let me know that in the comments below. So I hope you found this video inspiring and encouraging, and other links that will be in the description are different techniques that I use to help me with dealing with a long-term health situation. So I really think that is something beneficial, but of course you need to always check with your doctor before you start any kind of new medical thing, and crafting as well. I mean, just always know to be safe with whatever you do and with your abilities. But anyway, I think that I just wanted to bring a different kind of a video today. I was really tired and I hadn't made a video this week, so I thought, well, let me just talk about the variety and the different types of crafts that are available and that I do here on my channel and that you can watch as well. And then you can see, this is another one of the paper crafting projects that I did here on my channel with a 12 by 12 piece of paper. Isn't this pretty? You can tuck like gift cards in here, tea bags in here, and I do have this video here on my channel showing you how to make that. And then there's a pocket up here, so you could write a nice little letter. Isn't that nice? You could send this just as a, you'd have to put it in a different envelope, but you could send this as just as a letter or a get well. You know, I might send this. There's a friend of mine that's in the hospital now. I think I might just make a little letter and tuck it in here and maybe put a couple of gift cards so her husband doesn't have to cook, and they take care of his father at home who has dementia, which she was usually the caregiver for that, and now she's in the hospital, so that would be something that a way that I could help them out, so it takes a lot of the stress off. But I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Appreciate you watching my videos, liking them, subscribing, leaving me comments. It really means a lot to me. And the announcement that you saw, big changes coming, my Sunshine Makers Club members, I sent out an email today. Lots of fun and exciting additions are coming for you all. And so please be sure to open that. Go look at your email, open it. And this is June 22nd, I think it is today. I don't know. I'm lost track of what the date was. But anyway, Friday, next to the last week of June. And then, but I'm going to be sending that out multiple times so that everybody gets it and opens it and knows about it, so that you can to be included in this new fun addition that's coming. So thank you for being here with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. And please help me grow my community by sharing the video. So stay safe, keep creating in the sunshine, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.